Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever heard of a bird with a bill so large it looks like a shoe? What makes the shoebill one of the most mysterious and elusive birds in Africa? Do you know how the shoebill's unique hunting technique earned it the nickname the ultimate death stare? Are you ready to embark on a journey into the wetlands of Africa to uncover the hidden world of the extraordinary shoebill? Shoebills are large, prehistoric-looking birds with massive, shoe-shaped bills, which give them their name. They have a bluish-gray plumage, towering height up to 5 feet, and a wingspan of about 8 feet. They inhabit freshwater marshes, swamps, and wetlands in central tropical Africa, particularly in countries like South Sudan, Uganda, Tanzania, and Zambia. Shoebills are formidable hunters, primarily feeding on fish including lungfish, catfish, and tilapia. They are known to stand motionless for hours, patiently waiting for prey to come within striking distance. When hunting, shoebills use a distinctive technique known as freeze and stab. They stand motionless in shallow water, often with their bills partially submerged, and then strike swiftly with a lightning-fast jab to catch their prey. Shoebills are typically solitary birds, only coming together during the breeding season. They are known for their solitary and secretive behavior, often hiding in dense vegetation when not actively hunting. Shoebills are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List due to habitat loss, degradation, and hunting pressure. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their remaining habitats and populations. In captivity, shoebills can live for several decades, with some individuals reportedly reaching ages of up to 35 years. These unique birds are not only fascinating in appearance, but also in their behavior and ecological significance within their native habitats. Shoebills hold cultural significance in various African societies. In some cultures, they are revered as symbols of power or are associated with myths and legends. Shoebills belong to the family Balaenocipitidae, which is monotypic, meaning they are the only species within this family. They are often considered living fossils due to their unique evolutionary lineage,